Now, I've tested a lot of robot vacuums, but this one might be the most complete package that I've seen under $500. The new Tapo RV50 Pro Omni has features you normally find on robot vacuum costing $1,000 or more. You've got 15,000 PA of suction, automatic mop washing and drying, self-emptying, hair cutting, and even automatic mop detachment for carpets. But does it actually clean well in a real home? Let's find out. If you've used TP-Link products before, you already know the Tapo ecosystem. Tapo is TP-Link's smart home brand and everything works through the same app. Right away, what stands out is the Omni Dock. This isn't just a charging station, okay? It automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads with hot water, dries them with warm air, and dispenses detergent automatically and even cuts tangled hair inside the dock.
Starting brush haircut.
That's a lot of automation for this price point. For my cleaning test, I spread coffee grounds, dirt, and household debris across the floor. With up to 15,000 PA of suction power, the RV50 Pro Omni picked everything up in a single pass. Coffee grounds disappeared quickly here, loose dirt was gone, and even debris along transitions and edges was cleaned up surprisingly well. Tapo claims this vacuum is designed for both hard floors and carpets, and based on my testing, the suction performance definitely feels strong. Next, I tested the mopping performance. I let the milk stain dry on the floor and sent the robot through. The dual spinning mop pads rotate at 180 RPM while applying pressure to the floor, so it's actively scrubbing instead of simply dragging the wet cloth around. After the cleaning cycle, the floor looked noticeably cleaner and the stain was largely removed. The deep edge cleaning system also helped the mop get much closer to the walls and corners many robot vacuums I've tested. Now for the hair test, I spread the long hair around the floor. This is where one of the RV50 Pro Omni's most interesting features comes in. Instead of hair wrapping around the brush for weeks, the system cuts tangled hair back at the dock.
Starting brush haircut.
The important part is that the cutting happens in the base station, not while the robot is cleaning. That means less maintenance for you and a more pet-friendly design. After multiple cleaning runs, there was very little hair wrapped around the brush. Now, one feature I really like is the automatic mop detachment system. Most robot vacuums simply lift the mop pads when they reach the carpet. The RV50 Pro Omni actually detects carpet, lifts the mop during travel, and can detach them before cleaning high-pile carpet. That means no wet mop pads dragging across your rugs. If your home has a mix of hard floors and carpets, this is a genuinely useful feature. Now, navigation is handled through LiDAR mapping and dual laser obstacle avoidance. I place shoes, cables, and other common obstacles in its path, and the robot successfully navigated around them without getting stuck. Now inside the Tapo app, you can create schedules, set no-go zones, clean specific rooms, create pet zones, and adjust mopping preferences. You can also start cleanups with a single tap. The app is simple and easy to understand, which is something I always appreciate. Now, the dock is honestly one of the biggest selling points here. After cleaning, it automatically empties the dustbin, separates clean and dirty water. It washes the mop pads with 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, dries mop pads with 122 degree Fahrenheit warm air, and dispenses detergent automatically. So instead of maintaining the robot after every cleaning run, most of the work is handled for you. So who is the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni for? If you have pets, kids, or simply want a robot vacuum that requires very little maintenance, this is one of the strongest options I've seen in this price range. You get the powerful 15,000 PA of suction, strong mopping performance, automatic hair cutting, self-cleaning dock features, and true carpet protection through automatic mop detachment. Now, considering the launch price of $499, it's delivering features that are normally reserved for much more expensive robot vacuums. Now, if you're looking for one of the best robot vacuums under $500, the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions at all, I'll see you in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!